God damn it. This video is about the end goal. I've become a rich and famous YouTuber. You know, Netflix has bought my show, and I am filthy fucking rich. This is the end goal. This is the dream. This is what I want. This is my idea of a theme park. And it would be in Arizona in the desert, the first one anyway. Let's franchise this bitch. And it would be Carvana. And 100% what it would be is basically a theme park for your car. You bring your car, and it's like just big open spaces for car meets, big open spaces for doing donuts, big like garages where that are free to use, where you can modify your car, experts that are there to help you, fucking car washes and waxing stations, like places to completely pamper your car. And then, oh shit, like I said, big empty spots to hoon, race tracks of all different kinds, like an autocross circuit, a fucking, an oval track, a drag strip, several drag strips, like just full on every single thing you could ever want to do with a car. It's in this one location, and it's all filled with car guys that want to do the same stuff, and you all go there, you all meet, and it's just a great fucking time. And man, it would be awesome. And that's what I want to do. When I'm rich, I'm gonna build Carvana. I'm gonna build a heaven for car guys, and I will build it, and they will come. It's like a baseball field with a bunch of ghosts. And yeah, that's honestly, that's the end game. When I'm fucking filthy rich, and I'm saying when because I demand that I be filthy rich. That's what's gonna happen. That's what I'm gonna do. Fucking speed trap. But yeah, Carvana. And, there are definitely, the biggest problem I find is that whenever I find a track near me, they either don't do track days, or they make track days really complicated to be a part of. And honestly, my idea, and I intend to own a racetrack someday, and there's never going to be events. You're not going to go there to watch other people race. It's going to be a 24/7 track day. You come, you wait in line, and you go for a rip. I have no interest in watching other people race. I just want a place where anyone can take their car and have a good fucking time. And you know, like that's the fuck off. That's the dream, man. One of these days, I'm just gonna own a racetrack completely open to the public, where, you know, like normal people without any money, anyone can just go and have a good time, experience racing, get more people involved. And yeah, like, fuck off! What the hell? And you know, it'll encourage people to get into car culture, and part of that would be encouraging car safety, and, you know, get people together, start up clubs, and oh Jesus, not pretty at all. And, you know, just get everyone, you know, involved, and basically create a car family. Like, basically what I want from life is the first Fast and the Furious movie, when it was actually a good movie about street racers, before it became a really shitty, garbage pile of crap. And ooh, no, that's what I want to do with my life. 'Cause yeah, like, it has been a goal since before I could drive that I was going to have a dirt track on my property. And I really regret buying my Camaro, because instead of buying the Camaro, I should have bought a little piece of land and created a dirt track, but I wasn't thinking. I was just like, oh, I really want a Camaro, it's so cool. And yeah, it was cool, and yeah, it was fun, and I loved it, but it was such a wasted opportunity, because I could have fucking had a piece of property and bought a bunch of cheap cars, and could have had way more fun than I ever did in a Camaro. And really, I could have kicked off my budget gear. Like, oh man, I honestly, I wish I had done it so bad. I regret it, but you know, I didn't, and I gotta make up for that now. What the fuck? And you know, it'll come. And yeah, but like that's honestly, that's what the start is gonna be. Like when I start to do budget gear, I'm gonna set up a dirt track so that basically, one, I can hoon on it whenever I want. Two, I can shoot budget gear. And three, it's going to be the start of Carvana. I'm going to open it up to every car guy I know. They're going to be welcome, like friends. And, you know, I'm going to start building it from there. You know, once I get successful, I'll expand it, maybe get a paved drag strip in. You know, it'll just keep getting bigger and bigger, and next thing you know, there'll be a Carvana in Nova Scotia or PEI or wherever I happen to be when I get all this shit done. And that'll be fucking awesome. And I can't wait. And I'm so upset that I'm in a position in my life where I can't do this. And yeah, I rag on rich people, but if I were rich, I would do it right now. And it's the dream, man, and I cannot fucking wait. And it's not even like, yeah, I can't wait to do budget gear. I can't wait to have my own fucking dirt track. I'll be on that thing all day, every fucking day. Just non-stop, man. Fuck. Oh, man, I can't wait. Is this a big pile of salt? Damn, that is a lot of salt. Let's not do a burnout on the salt. Huh. Look at this Honda Civic. It's got a spoiler. Some nice rims, actually. It's definitely been lowered. Broke. Illest? It looks like I-L-L-E-S-T. What is that? Illest. No? Oh, I don't even know. Lower it. All those stickers add like 5 horsepower each. This thing's probably pretty fast. But yeah, I can't wait to start Carvana, and it's gonna start small. Like I said, just a little dirt track that I tell all my friends about, and I let them come and we hoon, and then a slightly bigger dirt track that I start inviting people like through my Facebook groups and YouTube to come out to. And it's just gonna keep getting bigger and bigger until, you know, it's everything I ever dreamed of.